Hello everybody. Today I got my very first order from Nordstrom. I've never bought anything from Nordstrom before, but I'm halfway through my favorite toner. So I was shopping around for some more, and I know that usually with Lancome, Estee Lauder, Clinique, there's always some sale or some kind of a promotion involved where you get free gifts and things like that. So when I was searching for it on Macy's, they didn't have any particular promotion associated with Lancome right now. And when I searched for Lancome on the Nordstrom website, they had a promotion going where you get a Lancome gift bag with makeup and skincare products when you make a $39.50 purchase with free shipping. They also Nordstrom also has free shipping on their beauty products, so I was glad to see that. Just like Macy's. Macy's has free shipping on beauty. Of course, you can get free shipping at Sephora too, but it costs you $10 a year. But with Nordstrom and Macy's, when you buy beauty products, there's no shipping, no membership or anything. So I was happy to see that. So anyway, my very first Nordstrom order. And there we are. Oh, and I also got free samples with this order too. The packets, you know. So let's see. First off, I see Bobbi Brown foundation. And we had 4 little swipes on the back. You know, just enough to test on your cheek. That's nice. You get to choose your samples too. So I chose these. And I got a sample of Chanel Hydro Beauty Micro Serum. Another little one-use packet. And also a one-use packet of La Mer Soft Cream Moisturizer. So these are just the, you know, the free things you put in your cart at checkout. In order to spend the $39.50, I got another bottle of toner, of course, because that's what I was shopping for in the first place. So now I have more toner. And also, I had seen this on Macy's website, as well as on the Lancome website, and I wanted to try it. It's the Genifique Mask. This one mask has the same amount of the active ingredient as a full bottle of Genifique serum. So, that intrigued me. I wanted to try it. So, I'll be trying this. And so now for the beauty bag. It's wrapped in this paper too. Like this. Comes like this. Okay. Take out the bag first. Okay, so this is the bag. It has Lancome on the little zipper pull. Opens all the way up. There it is. Okay. Now for the products. We have a Mr. Big mascara sample. I have one that I'm already using, so I'll use that one to show you the brush. There's the brush. But I'm almost done with this one, so I have a new one. And this deluxe sample of Genifique was also included in the sample bag. And a lipstick in the shade Vintage Rose. There it is. This is a matte lipstick that won't come off, so I'll just test it on my hand. Kind of a barely there pink. It might work. I'll have to try it on and play with it. And it comes with a product card with all the ingredients and everything. Discover Lancome. This gift is just a glimpse into the beautiful world of Lancome. It has a picture of the products. There was a choice of face cream. You could either get Energy de Vive, Energy Lift, or Absolue Premium Bx. So I chose the Absolue Premium Bx. I had a sample of this once before, and I liked it. Of course, I like most of Lancome's skincare. It's a little more moisturizing, and it seems to be a little more gentle. So I like this one. And also, this product is new to me. I've never tried the Bi-Facil Face. Bifacial? I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it removes makeup, and it's supposed to remove long wire makeup and lipstick and everything. So let me see. I'm curious. I think this might be a new product in their line because I haven't seen it, and I'd like to try it. Let's see if it'll take off this long-lasting lipstick. And supposedly it won't leave any kind of oily feel. Well, it's doing a good job. And it's not oily. I didn't have to rub very hard either. There it is. It did a good job. And my lips don't feel dry at all. In fact, they feel slightly moisturized, but not greasy. Since I've taken that off, I guess I can try on the lipstick. And with this promotion, you get your choice of face cream, lipstick, and color of the bag. Everything else is the same. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.